Y'all, this is gonna be quick because I know what it is. Well, it's gonna be quick because it's heavy. And I know what it is. And it is going to be epic. Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits. And in today's video, it's gonna be quick, y'all. It's gonna be quick because this is going to be a very epic unboxing and I'm so excited to look through it. So probably, oh, ow, my thumb, hold on now. Okay, so probably because of the title, you already know what it is, but I have not opened it yet because obviously I wanted to open it with you guys. And it is, hold on, let me, oh Lord, it's heavy. Lord, come on. Okay, let me put this down. It is the Louis Vuitton Virgil Abloh book. I'm so excited for this book. So, I kind of don't want to take the plastic off, but I don't know another way to look inside. So, it's coming off. All right, let's take her off. Let's take her off. All right, come on now. All right, there we go. I found an opening. Okay. Oh my God. Like, come on. He was an icon, period. But especially for Louis Vuitton. Like, he did them some favors. He did LV some favors. So let's get into the book. This is the cover, like beautiful. And then let me show you the back. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's get into her, right? Because I'm sure you've seen the cover. Now listen, y'all know how my arm muscles are set up, okay? But oh my God. Let's see. So of course, Louis Vuitton, Virgil. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, right? Because who was I fooling? Who was I fooling? Not I, except the cat. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so we can look through this thing together appropriately, because that's what it deserves. Okay, now that's just, I'm about to decorate for fall though, so ignore that. But let's get into her again. Well, should I say let's get into him? All right, let's just get into the book, right, Kita? So of course, here we go. Let's get to the chapters. Oh my God. So this is the foreword. I'm gonna give y'all some, can y'all see that? It's the foreword. Oh my God, look at Virgil. Oh my goodness. All right, so there's a foreword by the CEO and chairman of Louis Vuitton. Oh my God. And then an introduction to a manifesto according to Virgil. Oh, this is definitely a keepsake. Obviously, I can't go through the whole book, so let's just skim through it, right? All right. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Okay. And then, of course, we got men's fashion. Oh, let's see. Let's skim through it. Oh, I can't even tell you, like, how, is honored the right word, or is that a little bit too dramatic? Oh, look at that. Look at that. If you can get your hands on this one of a kind, it ain't coming back no more book. Y'all remember the NBA collection collab? Oh. Oh, look at that. Like, come on, fur. Oh. Listen. Oh, y'all remember that? Who was doing that? Wasn't that like $8,000? I mean, it's cute. It's cute. Remember the duck purse? Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm not, listen, I said quick, but this book is engaging. All right, and I haven't even read it yet. but the illustrations, the pictures, can y'all see that? It's just, listen, it's top tier. What is this? Look at that. Can y'all see that? Look at that. Ugh. So what I am going to do, right? Because there's no way. There's no way. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. This is, if you are a fan of Louis Vuitton, and like, who's not a fan of Virgil, right? Like, this is a must-have. This is definitely, oh, look at that. This is definitely a must-have. Epic. Iconic. So that's all I got. That is all I got. Epic and iconic. Very, very, this is definitely a collector's piece. I have to find a home for her. But happy I got my hands on this. So I am probably going to do a couple of shorts, you know, YouTube shorts. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram, because you will definitely see some reels of my favorite inserts from this book. I'm excited to get into it. That's all I got. That's all I got. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my just really quick look at the epic and iconic. Yes, I know I used that word about 20 times, okay, but it's the truth. But go ahead, if you haven't already, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video, and some shorts, because I'm gonna do some shorts, show y'all some really good inserts. And of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.